off the deep end, diving blind, chasing stars that never align. The air is thin, the echoes loud. The surface breaks, the world is still, a fragile heart, a reckless will. We're far from the shallow, we're far from the safe, caught in the current of every mistake. Crash through the silence, let it all drown. We're far from the shallow, can't turn around. The moon's a witness, silent and cold. My fears unravel, my hands lose hold. But I'd rather sink than never know. No compass, no map, no guiding light, just a pull